Imagine turning your love for organization and creativity into an exciting career. At AOLCC, our conference and event planner program prepares you for the fast-paced world of professional event management. You'll gain hands-on experience in every aspect of the industry, from venue selection and budget management to marketing strategies and client relations. Learn to use industry-standard tools while developing must-have skills like negotiation, problem-solving, and teamwork that employers value most. This program opens doors to multiple career paths across different industries. Graduates successfully work as conference planners, event coordinators, convention service managers, and trade show organizers. Whether you dream of planning corporate meetings, elegant weddings, or large-scale conventions, we give you the practical training to make it happen. The best part? You'll be learning from experienced professionals who know what it takes to succeed in this dynamic field. With flexible scheduling options and career-focused training, AOLCC makes it easy to start your journey in event planning. Our program covers all the essentials: event logistics, vendor negotiations, Microsoft Office applications, and even crisis management. If you're ready to launch a career where no 2 days are the same, visit us today to learn more about how we can help you become a professional event planner.